7. Counting in groups. How are you, friends? You can count, isn't it? Let's go. We are counted the sticks of a matchbox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 sticks. Now, count the numbers of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh my God! It is very boring to count such long numbers. And it makes a mistake in counting in it. Isn't it? Do you know that? These can be calculated quickly and easily by grouping these sticks. Let's learn how to counting the same number in a very simple way. Now take a lot of sticks. Count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's make one group of these 10 sticks. That's exactly the way. So now, you understand that one group is of 10 sticks. If there are two groups like this, then how many sticks are there? That is, one group equals 10 sticks and two groups equals 26. Now you realize that every group is counting 10 sticks. So tell me, how many sticks are there? One group means 10 sticks. And this is 4 single sticks. Means 10 plus 4 equal to 14 sticks. Tell me, how many are these sticks? 3 groups means 30 sticks. And 2 single sticks means 30 plus 2 is equal to 32 sticks. Now, let's learn how to count by deciding how to group of 10. Salma has 2 group of sticks and 4 single sticks. It means 24 sticks in total. Group these tens and write the following. 2 tens and 4 equals 24 units. Sharda's sticks, 4 tens and 5 units is equal to 45 sticks. It is a string of 10 beads. Understand this as and write the numbers. 4 strings and 3 beads is equal to 43 beads. It means 4 tens and 3 units is equal to 43. We can say it is a group of 10 blocks and count. 4 groups and 6 blocks means 40 plus 6 is equal to 46, which means 4 tens and 6 units. Now, you have noticed how to count by group. Now you practice this game with your friends and practice it more.